Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Rasanya sebulan dua dah rasanya saya tak buat video. Hari ni saya nak unbox satu device yang saya rasa sangat berguna untuk cikgu-cikgu semasa PDPC ataupun jika kita menjalankan lesson secara online. Okey, jadi gadget ni sangat bagus, device ni sangat bagus. Okay, so now let's unbox this. Hachi. Dia pun nak tolong ni. Dia pun nak tolong unbox. Jeng jeng jeng. So, what do you have in here? Oh, the whole package. Nothing down there. Okay, see, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Cannot stay in here. Come on. Cannot stay in here, Haji. Come on. Okay. So I got this for free as well. This is the Buds Live. Okay, this is new as well. Ini pun diorang baru launch juga last week. I got this for free for the pre-order of the Samsung Note 20. Okay, and I got the wireless charger for free as well. Okay, this is the fast charger. I'm not sure kalau saya boleh charge multiple devices at the same time. So I'll go read on this. So what else do we have? So, it's UV sterilizer with wireless charging. Oh, I don't know what they are for, how to sterilize, but it says that you can clean your personal belongings such as the phone, the Galaxy Buds and watches for a hygienic lifestyle. Let you safe and away from the danger of bacteria. Kills 99% of harmful bacteria, and it supports wireless charging. You can charge your phone during sterilization, applicable for both Android and iOS. Right, this one. Okay, so let's put this aside. I just cut it. Oh, okay. So anything inside. What is this? So this is how you install and activate the Samsung Pay. Okay, on the steps. I don't really use the Samsung Pay, and all the guides, quick start guides in English and other languages, and the warranty card, regional log guide, and then what else? Nothing. You just have the ejection pin here. Okay. It's not really black, it's kind of bluish, if you can see it. It's kind of bluish, something like that. Yep, that's how you do it. And the pin, and what's inside? Inilah yang kita tunggu-tunggu, the okay, so what else do you have? Put it here. Nothing. I got nothing in here. And what do you have in here? Nothing as well. This is the charger. So this is a travel adapter. Okay, super fast charging, people. If you can see that. It's super fast charging. What else do we have in here? So these are the earphones, the AKG earphones. So the previous one are also using the AKGs. They're pretty good. What is this? This looks weird. What is this thing? Oh, I don't know what you call this. It's like the adapter that you put on the earphone to adjust according to your ear size. Yeah, that's it. That's all. And your USB-C, I'm assuming. Yes, the USB-C to USB-C charging cables. Right. So now let's open this. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. It's super shiny. It's super beautiful. Want me to turn this on? Oh, yes. So just let it in here. Let's go. So are you using English in Kingdom? Okay, go. So I'll just settle this. Next. Oh, by the way, I do purchase a cover. So I got these. Protective covers. One for one. Okay, so let's open this up. What are you doing over here, Haji? So Haji wants to help. So this is a cover, and this is the phone. Okay. Move. Yep. That's how it looks like. Okay, yang ni untuk yang macam tegak sikit. Bagi tegak sikit macam tu. Like that. Okay, so you can see it from here. Okay, or if you want something lower, you can use something like that. So this is how it looks like, the protective cover. It looks solid, it's quite tough as well. Dia ada grip dekat tepi ni. And the hole for the S Pen, for the speakers, for the USB-C. And the buttons here. Right. See, it's very fast. That's all for today's unboxing. Stay tuned on my channel for the next video. Dalam video saya yang seterusnya, saya akan tunjukkan macam mana saya guna Galaxy Note dalam PDPC. Macam mana telefon Samsung Note boleh membantu kita sebagai pendidik dalam menjalankan PDPC. Jumpa lagi. Stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.